Ever wondered how to make meal prepping quick and healthy? Welcome back to your ultimate destination for evidence-based health tips, HealFacts. Today, we'll delve deep into the art of meal prepping, providing you with quick, healthy, and tasty meal prep ideas that can make your life a whole lot easier. Why should you consider meal prepping? Well, planning and preparing meals in advance not only saves you time during your busy week, but also ensures you're making nutritionally sound choices every day. It's a game changer for those on a health journey. Now, there's a common belief that meal prep is a time-consuming and complicated task. We're here to debunk that myth today with practical and quick ideas that anyone can easily incorporate into their routine. First up, breakfast. This meal is your day's kickstarter, the fuel that keeps you running. We have multiple quick and healthy options that can help you start your day right and keep you energized until lunch. Speaking of lunch, there's another myth we need to tackle, that preparing healthy lunches requires extensive cooking. Not true. We'll share with you simple, nutritious lunch ideas that you can prepare without spending hours in the kitchen. And what about those midday hunger pangs? Snacking doesn't have to mean reaching for processed or unhealthy options. We present to you smart snack hacks that keep you satisfied between meals without compromising on nutrition. Then comes dinner, often seen as a time-consuming affair. This perception stops many from embracing meal prep. We're here to change that with quick and tasty dinner recipes that take minimal time and effort. Finally, for those sweet cravings, we've got you covered. We'll conclude with quick and healthy dessert options that will allow you to indulge your sweet tooth guilt-free. In conclusion, meal prep doesn't have to be daunting. With the right ideas and a bit of planning, you can enjoy delicious and healthy meals throughout the week. If you find this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends who might benefit from these tips. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more evidence-based health tips. Your health matters, and we're here to make sure you have all the information you need to take good care of it. Until next time, stay healthy.